Alright, now we're going to do the Dark Knight Blu-Ray Steelbook, which has also cost me $10 at Best Buy. So let's get into it. And there you see the usual special features that the usual Blu-ray has. It's a lot, so I just want to get through it real quick, because you already know most of the special features. Yeah. And they both come with the ultraviolet thingamajig. There you see the Joker. And the Steelbook. And the side. Ultraviolet digital copy thing. This one, Blu-ray. And this two, special features. This also completes my Dark Knight Steelbook. Can't wait for the Dark Knight Rises Blu-ray Steelbook, because I will be getting that. So yeah, stay tuned for more future content, and until then, later.